the most time-consuming puzzle in the world, and you'll never guess how long it takes to solve it. The Tower of Hanoi is a simple mathematical puzzle with 3 rods and a stack of discs. The more discs you add, the harder the puzzle gets. Your end goal is to move the entire stack to another rod following just 3 rules. 1, you can only move 1 disc at a time. 2, only the topmost disc of any stack can be moved. And 3, a larger disc cannot be placed on top of a smaller disc. We're gonna let this 36 disc Hanoi tower solve itself in fast motion to see just how long it's gonna take. In the meantime, we'll take a look at a simpler 4 disc version of this puzzle to understand how it works. First, the top disc goes on the second rod and the next one goes on the third rod. Now we move the top disc onto the third rod so that we can move the next disc onto the second. But now what? We can't move larger discs onto smaller ones, so purple's gotta go back to start and the green one's gotta go over to second. Now we can move purple to second, and red, the biggest disc, is free to move to third. Okay, all that work and we've got the first disc of our new stack in place. And now we just repeat that entire pattern for our 3 disc stack, then 2 discs, and then finally, it's all in place. This is only with 4 discs, and this puzzle is designed to get exponentially harder with every additional disc we add. So you can imagine just how hectic our 36 disc tower would be, which would take 68 billion moves to solve. If we were to solve this puzzle at a rate of 1 move per second, which is honestly pretty fast for a human, it would literally take us 2,179 years to fully solve it. Meaning if someone started working on this puzzle back when Jesus was born, they'd still be working on it to this day with over 100 years left to finish. And you thought your 1,000-piece jigsaw was impressive.